Shift. Connor Geekie, one of his goals so far this season has come against the Avalanche. Mikey Eyssimont is up there as well.
Feeling each other out. Again, it was only a couple of weeks ago they played against each other, but still, Colorado having different guys in the lineup, that changes things. Nick Paul's not in the lineup for the Lightning.
Here's Perbix with a shot, scores! Nick Perbix fires it home, 1-0 Tampa Bay.
In today's National Hockey League, but once you get inside the zone, they also have to be prepared to make this walk in. When there's a puck that's loose like that, look at that, beyond the top of the circle. Perbix is aware. It's a bit of a lucky play. The puck just comes out to him, but look at that hesitation. He waits for the screen to start in front. Mikey Eyssimont deserves a lot of credit here. Eyssimont goes to the front, and he stops right in the goal.
In the NHL, and here comes a 2-on-1. Short-handed, and that shot goes wide.
Excellent work by Braden Point. Braden Point came back and deflected it.
Here comes Guentzel. Guentzel in. Scores! Jake Guentzel makes it 2-0 with a power play goal.
Goal for Colorado to tie it up, but instead you come back the other way, and Jake Guentzel puts pressure on, drives wide. Not a great goal. Annunen would like to have that one back. He's late getting down. Guentzel looking at him all the way, though. He can see that big 5-hole, and Annunen gets down.
Sent all the way down by the Lightning. Manson picks it up behind his own net. 2-0 Tampa Bay. Here is Valeri Nichushkin. Nichushkin to the net. Saved by Vasilevsky. Rebound tucked in. They score. It is Ivan tapping it in and making it a 2-1 game.
Nichushkin's he's a shooter. He loves to shoot from anywhere. He'll shoot before he'll pass. Vasilevsky, it's all he can do to make the save. Nick Perbix comes back, but he overplays it. He tries to get the puck. It's tough to do that because you don't know where the rebound is going to come out. A lot of times you got to look over your shoulder and come back with somebody. That means they can't get to it even if you can. But Colorado gets to it. Ivan sees it.
Hagel just inside the line, steps into the middle, gives it up to Kucherov in front, and he almost had Cirelli for the tap in, and a heavy stick in front. Now Annunen with his battle down. Here's Kucherov, scores! Nikita Kucherov makes it 3-1.
Leading the way. It was the entry even where Hagel was really good in the depth at getting them in and getting them under control. And then that pass to Kucherov. And Annunen just not quickly enough from the center of the net to the outside. See how he's down on his knees? Now he gets up, he gets to the front.
Casey Mittelstadt knocked down and not controlled by McKinnon, and here comes Hagel, short-handed, he's got help. Hagel across, shoots, rebound, scores! Short-handed goal, first of the season for Luke Glendening.
McKinnon tries to make a little move. McKinnon was playing like a defenseman up at the blue line in the offensive zone. So Hagel steals it. They're got a 2-on-1. He does the right thing. He takes the shot. He's a lefty going down the right wing, so he's got a good angle to the net. Takes a look in the middle. No, it's not worth the pass. The defenseman took it away. So he takes a good high percentage shot off the goaltender's pad. And there's a great rebound goal for Glenn.
Face off to the right of Georgiev. Won by Cirelli. Pulls it back to Cernak. Cernak towards the net. Deflected wide. Sam Girard gets out of it, knocked aside by Cirelli, picked up on the Lightning, tipped in front gate. Great save there by Georgiev. That was on Hagel. Another drive, rebound, scores! And it's Anthony Cirelli with a goal in 6 straight games.
He gets into the scoring areas, and watch him shoot this puck. He's covered, he gets a good bounce, but he spun around and he rifled it. This is slow motion, so you don't get the sense of just how fast that is. But look at how quickly he roofs that. He's just got a different touch this year. He's relaxing in the slot. He's a confident man shooting the puck. He doesn't period to start getting things off for Brandon Hagel.
Connor Geekie taking the opening faceoff in the second period. One bit of housekeeping. They have taken away the assist for Geekie that it was originally accredited on the game's opening goal by Perbix. That adjustment just made, but it's 5-1. Here's Malinsky. Sam Malinsky with a good pass up the ice. Kiviranta draws a penalty on the play as Vasilevsky made the save, and it's going to be by Radish. Kucherov flips it down. He was trying to find Hagel, and Hagel instead is all by himself. Tries to tuck it in. Jams at it there.
We're well aware of that. There you go. Yeah, go ahead. You can ice it because he's going to be the first man down. The Avalanche defensemen weren't aware of him quickly enough, and he walked right out in front, and he ends up drawing a penalty because of it.
Yep, Manson goes to the box for the slash in that whole sequence. Hagel very close to points, number 5 on the night. Franchise record, by the way, over on the right side. Up top to Hedman. 20 seconds to go, the man advantage. Into the middle, here's Point across. Bang! Try now into the slot again. Point scores! Brayden Point with another power play goal. And this one's a rout. 6-1.
Standing. A lot of different looks. Kucherov on the left side. Then he goes back on the right side. And they look at him and go, Kucher, go anywhere you want. We'll make adjustments. But look at that efficiency level. From down low at the net, that one almost went in. Retrieval. Backhand pass by Kucherov into the slot. Off to Brayden Point. The goaltender's just getting dizzy. There's no way you can come out and try to confront Gensel in the front of the net and get over to the net on the far side. And you,
the son of former Avs forward Andre. Here's Point again, and Point waits, rebound. Oh, and a save on Kucherov by Georgiev. Hagel with 5 assists in a game, a period to go. There you see Perbix serving the remaining 20 seconds of his minor penalty that he took at near the end of the second. Should mention, Brian, that Mitchell Chaffee still not on the Lightning bench. It appears as though his night is done. No word from the Lightning yet. Oh, that one rattled off the post and in. And it's Ivan again.
Yeah, he snapped this one. Lefty, from my point, down here at ice level, I couldn't really see. Yeah, goes off of Brayden. So the D stands up. They can't quite clear it. And the shot just whistled off the post. You can see the big rebound. And it's just one of those things. Brayden coming back to help. And yeah, a lot of surprises in that division. Winnipeg and Minnesota specifically being in 1-2. I mean, they're good teams, but nobody expects them to be that good.
Here's Gensel and scores! Jake Gensel, 2 goals tonight. His second 2-goal game against the Avalanche. 7-2.
D to forwards breaking up the ice. Beautiful pass to get in behind the D. Tunnel vision by the Colorado Avalanche defenseman. Nice job by Perbix. He just circles back and look at the long pass there, and there's really unobstructed view. Gensel comes in, and the 5-hole has been big for both goaltenders.
But Washington has been good. We'll see what happens on Wednesday night. And then a big game on Saturday on home ice against the Toronto Maple Leafs. Here's Eyssimont. His shot scores! Mikey Eyssimont. You can make it 8 goals for the Lightning here tonight.
He's deserved the goal. Great quickness, good forecheck, sloppiness by Colorado inside their own zone. And the good quick shot. That's Annunen back in goal to start this third period. I think they want to save Georgiev for games that are coming up here.
Here comes Point. Point's going to race in. Brayden Point, his shot stopped by Annunen. Loose puck around. Drop back, and Ivan takes it away. 8-2 victory here tonight against the Avalanche on Hockey Fights Cancer Night, and on a night that Brandon Hagel had 5 assists to tie a franchise record 8-2